Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add a PDF to Google Docs. Chapter 1. How add PDF to Google Docs, how a link. To start, open Google Drive. After that, click on New and then click on File Upload. You are going to select the PDF and click Open. When the PDF file has been uploaded, right-click on it and select the Share option. After that, click on Share. Here you will choose the Anyone with the Link option. Next, change the permission type. Finally, click on Copy Link. Click on Done. Now on the Google Docs, paste this link. You can use the Tab key to load the name of this file. Chapter 2. How add PDF to Google Docs, how a image. To start, use some website to convert the PDF into image format. This process will separate each page into an independent image. You must click on Convert to JPG and then on Download IPG images. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you have done this, you can check that the PDF has been converted into images. After this, open Google Docs. Here you are going to go to the Insert menu, click on Image and select Upload from Computer. You must choose which image of the PDF you will use. Click Open. This way you will have the PDF as an image in Google Docs. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.